High Class Auto, this is Ali. This is a 2019 Ford Fusion Hybrid for sale with 20,000 miles on it. Still under full factory warranty. Vehicle is a graphite gray with a black cloth interior. It is an SE hybrid model. Vehicle is in great condition overall. Car has 20,000 miles on it. It does have cloth seats, power driver's seat, power windows, power door locks. This car is actually running right now. It is ultra quiet because it's a hybrid right now. Car does have navigation. It has auto climate control.
Keep the music coming, and if there's a development,
Car does have a sunroof. It's a one-touch open, one-touch close. There we go. I hit the wrong button. I hit the vent button. Car has audio controls on the steering wheel, voice commands.
Please say a command.
You can tell the car what to do, and it'll do it. It's actually nice. 20,400 miles to be exact on the clock. Car runs 100%. There's zero stories with this car. It's still under full factory warranty. It does have Microsoft Sync, and air conditioning works. I mean, everything works in the car. So it does have an eco button. It also has hill descent. Steering wheel is in good shape. I mean, the cloth seats are in great shape. The car has very little to zero defaults or faults on it. The paint's in good shape. The reason why I just honked was because the keys are actually in my pocket. I do have both sets of keys. Call us at 860-352-2530. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to assist you in any way possible. If you need extra video, extra pictures, I don't mind doing that at all. So contact us today, and you're looking at a really nice, clean, well-kept Ford Fusion.